Hello guys, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss orthokinematics. Okay, orthokinematics refers to the intricate movements that occur within a joints. Okay, so these are complex movements that occur within the joint. You should know when you do exercises or any movement what's happening in the joint, inside the joint. You should know. So I will tell you in short what is orthokinematics. Okay, so before orthokinematics, we should know what are joint surfaces, the structure of joint surfaces. So, if we are referring to any bone in joint surface, okay, so there are two ends of a bone. One is like concave surface, and second end is convex surface. Okay, so one is like a plug, which we are calling ball, and one is like a socket, where we attach our plug. Okay, so surfaces are like this. Okay, according to these surfaces, concave and convex surfaces, there are three types of movements possible in any joint. Okay, in most of the joints. So these three movements are gliding, or we can say slide, or rotation, and third is spinning. First we will talk about rotation. Rotation is like when a tire is rotating or rolling around a surface, around a road. Okay, so it is the example of rolls or rotation. Okay, when a convex surface is rotating around or inside the concave surface, it is an example of rolls. Secondly, let's talk about spin movement. Okay, when a convex surface is pivoting around a fixed point in a concave surface, it is an example of a spin movement. Okay, or spinning is like a resembles top of a spin. Okay, spin, which is the board, which is a game. Okay, so resembles like a top of a spin. Okay, next and third and the last, the movement is gliding, or we can say slides. Okay, slides is like a ice skaters when they slide over each other. Okay, this is the example of third movement, when a convex surface, okay, sliding or gliding over or into a concave surface but without rotating. It is the example of slides. Okay, so these are the examples, these are the movements which occur these are the movements which occur inside the joint. So that's all about today. We will meet again in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, love you all, be victorious.